My channel. I'm Joe from Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue.
And today we're going to be making something really, really good. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of the Yoder smoker. You've seen a lot of videos on my channel cooking on the Yoder smoker, but today is going to be a little something different. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I've worked for O'Reilly Auto Parts for a number of years now, and today I have my manager with me that has her arms around me. Yeah. So I wanted to introduce my manager at work. Her name's Carol Baskin, and you wanted to be in one of the videos.
Well, hey, all you cool cats and kittens.
And so
I wanted to be a part of the fun too.
And so Carol is going to show you guys how we in Texas make authentic Texas rice.
Hey Patrick, what am I now?
And Carol, who is my manager, she's going to be showing you guys how to cook some authentic Texas style rice here on Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue. So
stay tuned.
Yeah.
Make sure you have your peepers open.
Yeah.
It is a little bit of work to make this rice.
Yeah, it's like a labor.
It's very authentic.
Of love, but okay. All right, so let's get into the recipe.
Okay, you guys, so Carol Baskin here, Joe's manager at O'Reilly Auto Parts. I'm here to teach you guys how to make an authentic Texas rice. Simple ingredients, little bit of love, little bit of labor, takes a little bit of time. We're pretty excited over here. So let me just show you what we do to start. We're gonna go to our cupboard and we are gonna pull it out. So in this beautiful box of Texas rice, we have our flavor, savor, seasonings. The ingredients are rice and seasonings. So let's see how we do this. Come on over. To start, we are gonna go with 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Here in Texas, we really like margarine. Probably like, I can't believe it's not butter. But we're gonna do some authentic real butter today. We're gonna put that right in the pan. We're gonna turn it on. You know, we don't wanna burn our butter, so let's put it at medium. We're gonna melt this down, and then we're gonna put the rice in. And we're gonna get that browned. Okay, so the next part in this labor of love, authentic Texas rice, is taking the rice out of the box and pouring it right into that butter. We're gonna go ahead and get this all drenched in butter, and we're gonna stir it until it's a little bit brown. Okay, at O'Reilly's Auto Parts, Joe likes to bring in his authentic barbecue, so I like to bring in the authentic Texas rice, and we share, and we have a little smorgasbord at lunch every week. So here I am, giving you my secrets to the authentic Texas rice that I bring for Joe. Now that we have our rice browned, our authentic Texas rice browned in 2 tablespoons of butter, I'm gonna add 2.5 cups of water. That's hot, kind of like Joe. Well, now that I've got the water in, I need to get it boiling hot. Kind of like Joe's work ethic at O'Reilly Auto Parts. I'm the manager, I know. I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret to this authentic Texas rice. Once you have your water going and your rice browned, you need to open up the flavor packet. The magic to this authentic Texas rice. We're gonna go ahead and put it in. We're gonna mix it around. And then we're gonna let it simmer for about 20 minutes. So if you saw Joe, my employee at O'Reilly's last YouTube video, he made some really awesome chicken wings on the Weber kettle. So here I am, bringing my authentic Texas chicken flavored rice to his chicken wings. Once you have your authentic Texas rice boiling, you put a lid on it and turn it to low and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
So besides my authentic Texas rice tonight, I'm gonna make some veggies for the family. We have Brussels sprouts and broccoli, and we're using this shake from Uncle Steve's Shake. He's also from Texas. We're also supporting this channel called The Cooking Cop and Babe. They're a great couple.
I've seen that channel. I heard they're pretty good.
Yeah. So it's been 20 minutes. Our rice is done. Look at that. It's fluffy. Oh, it's not here. It's not. Just kidding.
What happened, Carol?
My authentic Texas rice is taking a little longer than expected. Kind of like the burial of my husband. Okay, we gotta go longer.
So while Carol's inside finishing up her Texas-style rice, I'm using the 22-inch Weber kettle with the S&S Grills Slow and Sear and the S&S Grills Drip and Griddle. And we're doing some wings. We use that Texas Trinity rub, and we're gonna be doing some grilled wings with Carol's Texas rice.
Okay, so our rice is done. Let's go ahead and take a bite of this fluffy, chicken-flavored, authentic Texas rice. Probably gonna burn my mouth. Oh, hot. Oh, hot. Mmm. Oh, I love Texas. Mmm. Texas makes the best rice ever. You gotta do this recipe. You won't regret it.
As always, this is Joe from Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue.
Until next time, Joe with Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue.
Carol's rice, Texas authentic rice, was amazing. And we're gonna go eat those chicken wings, those veggies, the rice, and we got a long shift tomorrow. You know, she drives a hard bargain. She really keeps us workers in check. So shout out to Carol for being in one of my videos, and thank you all for subscribing to Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue, and we'll see you on the next video.